Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to crochet this very easy beginner friendly scarf. You'll be repeating only 2 rows. This scarf without blocking measures about 10.5 inches wide, and I made it 62 inches long. You can find the return pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. All the links are provided in the description box. I made this scarf using sport weight or category 2 yarn. You'll need about 550 to 600 meters, and I used a 4 mm crochet hook. For this scarf you'll be making chains in multiples of 8 plus 5 extra. So here I made 61 chains. First make a slip knot and then make the chains. I have made 61 chains. Now let's begin the first row. Skip 4 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the 5th chain work a double crochet. Chain 2, skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and then work a single crochet in the next chain. Now let's start the repeats. Make 2 chains, skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and into the next chain work double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Then make 2 chains, skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and work a single crochet in the next chain. You'll be repeating these stitches 5 more times. Chain 2, skip 3 chains and work double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in the next chain. Chain 2, skip 3 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. We have reached the end of the row. After the last single crochet, work 2 chains and then skip the next 3 chains, and into the last chain work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet. Next is row 2. Make 1 chain and turn, and then work a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2 and into the next single crochet work 2 double crochets, chain 1, again 2 double crochets. Then make 2 chains. Now let's begin the repeats. Work a single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 2, and then into the next single crochet work 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. Then chain 2, repeat these stitches across, work a single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 2, and then 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the next single crochet followed by 2 chains. Finally, make 2 chains and then finish with a single crochet in the last stitch. Row 3, make 4 chains. This will count as a double crochet and 1 chain. Turn and work a double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, work a single crochet in the next chain 1 space between the double crochets. Then other repeats, make 2 chains. In the next single crochet work double crochet, 3 chains and double crochet. Then make 2 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. 2 chains, double crochet, chain 3 double crochet in the next single crochet. Two chains, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat these stitches across. You'll finish this row with double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the last single crochet. So that's it. You'll be repeating rows 2 and 3 as many times as you want. Now I'm working row 2, chain 1 and work single crochet in the same stitch, and then you'll make 2 chains and You'll work 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the single crochet. Then make 2 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So repeat rows 2 and 3 as many times as you want. If you want, you can block your scarf. I did not block it, and without blocking it measured 10.5 inches. Maybe with blocking it might increase an inch. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.